Welcome back. This integration was asked by MIT in the year 2022 and this is question number 10. Let's expand this, okay. So if I expand this become integral 0 to 1 e raised to x minus this is same as e raised to x into e raised to minus x. Why? Because if I add these two, if base are equal, I can add the indices, okay. So this is my dx. What is u into v differentiation? Okay, means product rule of differentiation is what? Is equals to u v dash plus v u dash. Let's see if I differentiate this, what comes? Okay, now if I differentiate this, let's see d. What is dy? Dx of e raised to x into e raised to minus x. This equals to, now let's apply u into v rule. Now let's keep this as it is, e raised to is differentiate this. E raised to minus x into dy dx of minus x is what? Minus 1. So I am writing minus over here, okay. Plus, so let's keep e raised to minus x as it is and let's differentiate this. E raised to x differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. Again, let's differentiate this. So this will be as it is, e raised to x. Now these two gets cancelled, okay. E raised to minus x plus x gets cancelled. What we have is, I can write this first, e raised to x, this second minus e raised to x and then e raised to minus x, okay. Now this is what? This is same as this. Look at here. This is same as this. Therefore, if I substitute u equals to whole this e raised to x into e raised to minus x, then my du will be this e raised to x minus e raised to x e raised to minus x into what? Dx, okay. So therefore, whole this become what? My du, okay. So for whole this is what? This is my du, okay. So whole this become my du. This is what? This is dx. So let's change the limit, okay. So when x tends to 0, this become 1 as well as e raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, we'll have only e raised to 1, okay. Now u tends to this, okay. When x tends to 1, what about u tends to what? X tends to 1, then e raised to minus 1 e raised to e raised to minus 1. This integration is become u and then upper limit minus lower limit e raised to e then e raised to minus 1 is equals to e raised to e minus 1 minus e, okay. So this is the required answer.